How to use Trip.com app. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Trip.com app to book your next trip. Let's get started. Step 1. Download and open the app. First, download the Trip.com app from the App Store or Google Play Store and open it up. Step 2 is to set your destination. On the home screen, enter your destination, whether it's a hotel, flight, or car rental. And then let's choose our travel dates. For example, I'm just going to enter February 11 to 12. And then let's hit confirm. Now, once you've entered the details, you can browse through available options. You can filter results by choice or by price, rating, or amenities to find the best details. Select your preferred options, review the details, and click on book. But first, let's try to search first. And then, for example, I want to book this Savoy Hotel in Manila. And then here you can try to select rooms. And then if you plan to book this place and you find this suitable for you, then you can just hit on reserve. And then you can enter your payment information after this to complete the booking process. You can also track and manage all your bookings under My Trips section within the app. Right here. Once you have booked that, you can see it right here. And that's it. You're ready to book your next adventure with Trip.com. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!